What if I told you the first car ever made had only 3 wheels? And today, cars can drive themselves? From a slow, noisy machine to intelligent AI-powered vehicles. This is the complete evolution of cars. And trust me, the future will blow your mind. Let's go back to 1886. A German engineer, Carl Benz, created the world's first automobile, the Benz patent motor wagon. It had only 3 wheels. It looked more like a bicycle than a car, and its top speed, just around 16 kilometers per hour. No steering wheel, no brakes like today, no comfort. People were shocked. Some even thought it was dangerous. But this invention changed everything. For the first time in history, humans could travel without horses. But there was a problem. Cars were expensive. Only rich people could afford them. That's when a man named Henry Ford changed the game. In 1908, he introduced the Ford Model T, a simple, reliable car. But the real innovation wasn't the car. It was how it was made. Henry Ford used something called mass production. Instead of building cars one by one, he created assembly lines. Workers stayed in one place, and cars moved along the line. This made production faster and much cheaper. Suddenly, cars were no longer a luxury. Millions of people could finally own a car. This was the moment cars became part of everyday life. As time passed, cars didn't just become common, they became powerful. Manufacturers started focusing on speed, design, and comfort. Engines became stronger, cars became faster, designs became more stylish. From family cars to sports cars, brands started competing to create the fastest and most beautiful vehicles in the world. Cars were no longer just a way to travel. They became a symbol of status, style, and innovation. Now let's jump to today. Modern cars are not just machines. They are smart systems. They have sensors, cameras, and computers inside them. Cars today can automatically brake, stay in lanes, detect obstacles, even park themselves. And companies like Tesla are taking it even further. They are building cars that can drive themselves using artificial intelligence. Yes, cars that don't need a driver. This is called self-driving technology. And it's already here. But what about the future? The future of cars is even more exciting. We are moving towards electric vehicles, no fuel, no pollution autonomous taxis, cars that drive you anywhere and even flying cars. Imagine this. You sit inside your car. You don't touch the steering wheel. You just tell it where to go. And it takes you there. No traffic stress. No driving. Just comfort. Sounds crazy, but it's closer than you think. From a three-wheel machine in 1886 to self-driving, AI-powered vehicles today, the journey of cars is truly unbelievable. And the best part? This is just the beginning. The future of transportation will be faster, smarter, and more advanced than we can imagine. So next time you sit in a car, remember, you're not just traveling. You're part of a 100+ year evolution story. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and join us as we explore more mind-blowing tech and history.